the best ROM you can get. It is super duper smooth. It is running Android 13 right now. So how do you install it? Now let's just watch the video and enjoy. So what you need to do is you need to go in Google Chrome and tap on pixelos.net. Once you tap on that, you're going to see that this is the website in which you are going to get the Poco F4 Pixel experience. You guys can see this is the 23rd January patch, which is having Android 13, and this is the monthly built version. It is maintained by Masarao. He's the maintainer. You need to tap on download latest build, and then your download will start. Now this is the way to install download Pixel OS. So I've already downloaded. What you need to do is now is you need to switch off your Poco F4, and then you need to hold the volume down and the power button at the same time, unless and until your Poco F4 boots into fast boot mode. Now once you are holding both of these at the same time, you will see that it shows fast boot. You need to connect it to your PC, and then in your PC you need to download these three files. So this is the Pixel ROM, then we have the TWRP and the TWRP installer. So these two, installer and the TWRP, I'm going to give you the link in the description. You can download from there, and then you need to go in command prompt, and here in command prompt you can write adb fastboot devices to see if your device is connected or not. No matter what it shows, it is connected. You don't need to worry about that. Just close this, and then you need to extract the TWRP installer. So tap on extract, and then you need to copy this TWRP image file to this folder. Then open the folder and again copy the image file to the folder. So after you have copied this, you can open the folder, and now you need to rename this TWRP file. You have to rename it to boot, boot, boot. Everything needs to be in small letter. So no, don't mess up here. It's a very important step. Then double tap on the TWRP installer, and then just tap on enter, enter, and enter. Now it will actually send your TWRP to the Poco F4, and your Poco F4 will show a screen like this. This is the Team Win TWRP recovery running in the Poco F4. Now if you have set any lock screen password, you can actually just type in that password, and then your smartphone will open. So there you go. This is the TWRP recovery. And now if you want to install the custom ROM as well, you will see the internal storage of your smartphone. You need to go back in downloads, and you need to copy this ROM file to the storage of your smartphone. So this is the Poco F4's internal storage. You just need to copy the ROM zip file to the internal storage of the smartphone. Any ROM can be here. It is not only like the Pixel ROM. You can install any other custom ROM like Lena Jos or whatever. It's up to you. So you just need to do that, and then you can just cross check that it is indeed in the internal storage. And once it is, you need to go onto your smartphone and go and install. Here you need to swipe down, and you will see this is the ROM's file. But first of all, you need to go in wipe, and you need to go in advanced wipe and tap on Dalvik and data. Now this is a very important step. Many people skip this. Do not skip this. It is a very important step. Go back after wiping, go and install, and again go back, install, and this is where you need to flash the ROM. So you just need to see this is the zip file. You need to tap on it and then swipe to flash. Now this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not worry, it is a very easy step. You just don't need to do anything. Just keep your smartphone on the table or anywhere, and it is going to install. So after waiting for a lot of time, you're gonna see a bit of error messages like everything is red. But don't worry, it is installed. You need to go back, you need to go in wipe one more time and tap on format data and type yes, and then press the tick button. Now it has formatted the data. Go in reboot and system. There you go. Now there's very important step that is missing. That is, after this your smartphone will say that your device data is corrupted. Now once it says your data is corrupted, you need to do one thing which is very very important, and let me show you. This is here, it is saying the data is corrupted. You need to tap on factory data reset. Make sure you do not skip this step because it is a very important step. Tap on factory data reset and tap on format data. After you have done that, like especially in the case of Pixel ROM, you're gonna see the Poco logo, and then within few seconds you're going to see the Google Pixel logo as well. But again, you need to have patience because these things take time, and patience is one of the most important steps to install custom ROMs. So this is it. That's how you can install the Pixel OS on your Poco F4. And this video took a really long time in making, so make sure to subscribe to my channel will be a big thumbs up. So yeah, do not miss on that opportunity. and I'm gonna make a full review of the Dizo Watch D Pro as well. So if you are interested in smartwatches, that video is for you. And I'm also gonna do the full review of the Google Pixel experience or the Pixel OS for the Poco F4, how well it works and what are the features which are really nice. So make sure you watch that full video as well, which is gonna come after 1-2 weeks maybe, because my exams are coming. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can enter the Pixel. Welcome to your Pixel. That's it. Hope you like it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay happy.